Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 139th edition release. Yes, Emma is back and ready to get started. Um, she still has a little bit of a healing process, but she's back and we'll have our first release February 2nd, which is this Friday. But new year, new changes. So this year, one of the things that has changed is the way that you'll put in your discount codes. For each channel, that's whether it's blog, Instagram, or YouTube, we all have our individual codes for you to use. Mine is Mo, M-O-E, capitalized. And all of the other ladies have their specific codes to their specific channels. These are affiliate codes, so you will have to use one of the codes to get your 15% discount. Like I said, this starts Friday, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and will end Sunday, 11:59 p.m. And then after that, you will still be able to use our codes for a 10% discount. Mine is, once again, Mo, M-O-E, capitalized. Share the love. Now into those sneaky peeks. Okay, let's get into these sneaky peeks. First up, today we will be focusing on giant ginger Cupid add-ons as well as sweet ginger Cupid add-ons, and these are so cute. Let me start off by sharing the stamps. So this one here will go with the sweet ginger add-ons. Let me kind of leave that on that paper so you can see everything that's on there. And look at that cute face. It has a little bit of a little bitty heart in the eyes this time. Just adorable. And you can see all the words from there. And then like the smaller one, the bigger one has the hearts within the eyes. And it's winking or taking aim. And then you can see all of those stamps there. Really cute. And then let me show you the large set of dies here. You have your bag of arrows there, and this is the layer that goes on top of there, and these are the layers for the hearts. And this is the strap that goes with that bag to go around the shoulder of the ginger. And then here goes the arrow, which also has hearts at the end, as well as the arrow that has heart and the tip, so you can change those colors. And then we have the clouds that the cherub can sit on. All right, and then same thing in this one for the smaller ginger, exact same. And there's 8 in each one. All right, so let's get into my first project. Okay, for this cute little cherub lady, I am using this paper, got hearts there. Use the giant ginger add-on, giant ginger, which I use those, and as well as the giant ginger. And then I use the winter angel wings, this here. All right, I think that's about it for that one, but let me bring that up a little bit closer. I did use glitter paper, as you see, added on some cheeks with the white gel pen and accented her eyes there. And yeah, I thought she turned out really cute. And so I'm not sure if I'm going to put her on a card or whether to use her as a tag, but she's adorable. Okay, next up we have this adorable card right here. Starting out, I am using the Eyelets, Gingham, and Solids paper that goes with the tea time, and I'm just using this light blue back here as a base color. I am also using, and which I shouldn't have used it, but so sorry, I forgot to check and make sure this was in stock. But I'm using this one right here, and that's just that layer that's behind there. And then I use the Prim Hearts that she released a month or two ago, a couple months ago probably by now, and I'm using a couple sizes from there. I'm using the clouds, that's from that new release, the sweet ginger Cupid add-ons, that's where I got the clouds from, and the arrow. And then I'm also using her cloud slopes and snowflakes stencil. and then the XOXO border frame die, as well as this paper pack here, which is the springtime paper pack, and I'm using this red. But I thought this turned out so pretty. Love the clouds in the back. Absolutely love them. The colors are really popping. The ink that I used was that ribbon distress oxide ink. That's the color that I used back there, but it is so pretty. Love it. The love is in the air. That came from the giant ginger stamps, the Cupid add-on stamps. So that's where I got that from, but love that. And like I said, the hearts came from those Prim hearts that she released a couple months ago or so. And this is how my inside looks, and I used the hearts that came from the large ginger Cupid add-ons. That's what I put there. And now love that. So pretty. Okay, next up, and I wanted to give you a little bit of a different way to use your dies. And I thought maybe, you know, you would like to use it with the arrow bag as well as the arrow. And hey, take out some previous die releases as well. So one of the previous ones I used was the alphabet dies. And so I used the XOXO that came from there. The paper that I used was the Ginger Chefs. And I used that teal looking color, or aqua color. And I also used the torn paper frame dies as well as the torn paper frame die layers. And I believe that is it. And so, yeah, I thought I would add some enamel dots to go on there. I did change that color to silver for the tip of that arrow, and love these little hearts. They almost remind you of the Prim hearts that she released a couple months ago, but super, super cute. I really like how this turned out. I did use some glitter paper behind that as well. Really pretty. Love the fact that her alphabet dice has the little hearts in there, so it all coordinates together. And then there goes the inside of that card. For the last one, can you tell who it is? Robin Hood. I just thought this was just so cute. So cute. Perfect for Robin Hood. He stole from the rich and gave to the poor, so I have a little something in the inside. So starting out, we use the Sweet Ginger companion dies, so that's the one I used there. And from the Cauldron tag, I am using these little leaves there. From the Ginger Boy and Girl Christmas add-ons, I'm using this right here, just those two pieces there. Christmas greens, I'm using this for the trees in the back. The Sweet Ginger Christmas add-on, I am using one of these hats, and I just use just the top part of that. And then from the ice cream die, I'm using this to complete the hat. And then from her her More Sentiment strips, I'm using this here. And then for the layering frame in the back, I'm using the torn paper frame die layers as well as the torn paper frame dies. And then in the inside of the card, if you're going to rob from the rich and give it to the poor, hey, you need a pocket for that stuff that you're going to collect. Anyways, oh, and the sentiments came from the stamp set from the Sweet Ginger Cupid. No, I think the large Cupid add-ons. So that is how that card turned out. Of course, I gave him a little bit of rosy cheeks there and colored him up. And he's taking that aim to shoot that arrow to whoever he's gonna steal from. And yeah, there goes the inside of the card. So that's where you can put your money or gift card. You slide that right in there. But just, I thought that was too cute. Okay, so those are my sneaky peeks for today. Make sure you come by tomorrow and yeah, and see what we have going on tomorrow. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Make sure you check out the pictures at the end.